Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the lines we drew yesterday. So as you can see, we had drawn this line as a resistance and this line as a support with a overlapping fair value gap. Nifty opened well above the resistance line and then took support in on the resistance line and consolidated there. So it's like 2 days of consolidation, but it's an up move. So that means the selling pressure is also there. At the same time, the buyers are holding good, finding new grounds uphill. As usual, let's just delete the lines we drew yesterday and start afresh. Starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the bias is still bullish. Why is the bias bullish? Because Nifty had created a swing low in August. That swing low was testament of the intent of the bulls, and it was much higher than what it had done the previous swing low that was in April. So this is a new base was created, a new swing low was created that was much higher than a previous swing low. So that's why it's bullish. Important levels, the big sellers, that is at previous all-time high 26,277, and the big buyers, the previous swing low in August, that's 24,337. Let me make that in green. That is all on a monthly time frame. There's nothing much happening. On a weekly time frame, the bias was not sure. It still is not sure because it hasn't created a higher low or a lower high. So these are the only two parameters I look at right now. It looks like there's a lower high in the making, but in the coming days, if this candle manages to take this high, then that's invalidated. Then we have to wait another 2 weeks because then we have to create a higher low. So right now, I am not sure of what the bias is. Is there an important level to watch out for? Yes. This flat top is an important level to watch out for. That was taken out violently. And now let's see if Nifty decides to come down, it might take support there. Let me just mark it in a with a thinner line so that in live market I know what time frame it is. That's one good level to watch out for. That is 26, 25, 653 in case Nifty decides to come down. A daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Nifty was not sure the last time we were looking. Right now too, I am still not sure what is going on in Nifty. And there was this one flat top that we drew. Nifty is respecting that flat top. Now it is green because it has successfully, it is a daily level and a daily candle has closed above it. So now it has to have, it was a daily resistance. The stop loss of those guys must have been taken out, and now there must be hell lot of buy orders in this space. So it did take support today. So if those buy orders are exhausted, then Nifty might decide to come down and test this level. So that's all I can say. Well, on a daily time frame, this was supposed to be our support yesterday also. This is the weekly support also that we drew today. So let's see if this respects it. The bias is not sure. Is there any other level that we need to look out for? Yes, I would say we have a fair value gap that's created today. Let me just mark it out. This is a fair value gap. The latest fair value gap. I'm just ignoring everything else. And yeah, so a lot of supports there for Nifty. So impetus is for Nifty to go up. Let's see if it does indeed. Now, on a 4-hour time frame, it was not sure previously. It still is not sure because this is a swing low and it has not formed the higher swing low. So it's not bullish, at least. Now, what about swing highs? This is a swing high, and this is another swing high. Again, that's a higher swing high, not a lower swing high. So, yes, again, I'm not sure of what Nifty is doing on a 4-hour time frame. Are there any important levels to look out for? Let's look left. When in doubt, always look left. No, nothing that interests me. Not wasting time. On an hourly time frame, Nifty was bullish previously. Let's see what is its bias right now. What was a previous swing low like? This was a swing low. That swing low was taken. This was a swing high. That swing high was also taken. So it is not sure. This is the kind of day I would stay out of the market, because I personally do not have a view to buy or sell Nifty. So I'll just wait for Nifty to form some buyers on it rather than lose money. So any intraday trader like me would have lost money if I were in the market on this day and on this day, unless you are like a scalper with very high position, which I am not. That's all for today. Let's see what Nifty does tomorrow. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst, and I do this just for educational purpose. Thank you very much.